Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do what everybody else is doing, a latte makeup look. That's basically my everyday look anyway. I'm actually going to use a lot of J.Lo makeup. Not a lot, I'm lying. I'm going to use an old Inglot from Jennifer Lopez. It's a palette, has bronzers. But what I also want to add, and I could put this on after the rest of my body to show you, but not all over. I did get from J.Lo Body, they sent me these two products. This is not sponsored, but I thought it'd be a good video to use these products in, since it's all about bronzing and latte. Actually, it's called a latte makeup look, but aka brown bronzing natural, whatever you want to call it. This is a complexion booster. I'm gonna put it on my face now. Let me move in. Let's just get right into this. It sort of reminds me of By Terry serum, the CC serum. It gives you that glow and that shine. Before we continue, I didn't even spread it all, but before we continue, look, I got one of those sunglass hairbands off of Instagram, TikTok, whatever. So let's just use it for now. This way hair is off my face. Just gonna put a little more on. Can't forget the neck. Never forget the neck. Okay, while I'm waiting for my skin to stop looking so red, this is from J.Lo Body. They also sent, it's hard to see. It's hard to see with the reflection. I had such a problem filming this in the light. Tighten & Tease Ultimate Body Serum. This goes on parts of the body that you want to tighten, like your thighs, your buttocks, your arms. I hate my arms sometimes. So, and it has like a tingling, warming sensation. So I do warn you, this is just a little side hint. I mean, a little side tip. I wouldn't, and it doesn't say not to, but personally, I would wait until I wouldn't put it on right after the shower. I would wait a little until your pores are closed maybe, because I don't know if that's a reason. This is totally me guessing. But one day I put it on right after the shower and I put way too much on. Not a lot, but I put it on as if it was more of a lotion. But I think I would say go very lightly, because it definitely, if you put too much on, I had to jump back in the shower. I thought my body was gonna peel off. It was like, it was hot. But I like it. I do like it because I've been using it and I feel like it has like an instant effect. All right, let's go in. I'm gonna go in with my foundation first. I'm gonna go in with my Mario. This is the Mario, what is it called again? I love the color match of this on my skin. I'm using a brush. It's full coverage. And even though it's summer and I try not to wear foundation too much in the summer, I'm going out and we're doing the whole latte look, so what concealer am I gonna use? I'm gonna use my Hide concealer in Linen. My favorite bronzer is this NARS Laguna, and I like the Laguna 02, which is the original Laguna. They have a little darker, which I do sometimes use if I want to contour more, but I'm not a contour person really. So I'm not gonna wear blush because, again, this is a latte look. It's not strawberry milk. This brush is from NARS too. Love it. Lovely. I might add some more powder bronze after, but I don't know yet. Okay, moving on to the eyebrows. When did I get this? Oh, I got this from Ipsy, aka BoxyCharm. This is Billion Dollar Brows, and I love Billion Dollar Brows. That's why I like this. I used this quickly yesterday for the first time, and I'm like, I normally don't like when it looks, I normally like small sticks. This is a little wider, but True and Luscious Angel Eyes Eye Primer. I love this stuff. This is probably too much for both eyes. See that? You don't even need that much. This is an old one, guys, so I'm sorry if you can't, I don't know if you can get it anymore. On Inglot website, I think you can. But I'm gonna use a lot of these. This is like a good blush, and I use this for eyeliner. I just use it, I love this. So let's accentuate the blush a little more because we want it to be very latte. I wanted to film this with an actual latte, or I don't really drink lattes, I drink coffee. I actually drink an Americano, which is like espresso with extra water so that it's like a coffee. It's not gone in a second, but it's strong enough. And I've been putting a little oat milk in. I know it's weird, but just to kind of cool it down, give me a little extra coffee. And then it doesn't bother my tummy. Not that I ever had a lactose issue, but you know, sometimes that milk is like, ooh, ouch. Okay. I'm even going to use this as a little highlighter, which I don't always wear, but I started wearing it again and I'm like, oh, that makes such a difference. I know I'm not using the right brush, but I want to add a little smoky look, smoky eyeliner. I didn't want to use black. I wanted to use brown. Couldn't find it because I'm in the middle of, not that I really looked hard, I'm not going to lie. What I'm going to do is use eyeshadow, and this is Il Maquillage Color Boss Squad multi-dimensional eyeshadow quad. I love this palette. I'm not going to go in with this color though, because that's not really latte, so pretend that's not there, and we'll use these colors. If you don't have eyeliner, just use eyeshadow. I worry it doesn't stay as long, but it kind of does. So far so good. I'm going to spray the setting mist now. I always do it after my mascara because I forget, and then I get mascara everywhere. So this is Lawless Mascara, one and done. Really like this. I have to assume this came in my Ipsy because I didn't buy it, but I like it. I'm not a fan of putting a lot of mascara on the bottom lashes because sometimes it just looks sloppy and I feel like I ruined the whole thing. So just going on with the lips, back to the real her. I might as well just use some lips still. And I realized I gotta hurry because I just looked at the time. Of course, my Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Soft Rose. My favorite lip color. I like the way it looks mixed with a darker liner. And there is my version of Latte Makeup Mature Skin. I mean, honestly, this is my look pretty much all the time. I usually do a little lighter, but I want a more smoky latte, and I really like it because it's natural colors and I love them. I'm gonna say goodbye, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then,